Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about circles, and previous class we already discussed about the introduction of the circles. Now let us solve the questions from the circles chapter, and finally this is the first question is find the equation of the circle which passes through 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 and whose center lies on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1. Now general equation of this circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the general circle equation, and now this is circle and this is center. Let it be x1 comma y1, and this is the point A and this is the point B, and also says that whose center lies on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1. And now this is the line equation, which is 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. And this problem will be solved in two methods. The first method is, let us assume centers S x1 comma y1, and condition will be SA equal to, because let A is the 2 comma minus 3 and B is the minus 4 comma 5. Let assume center as x comma y1, and condition will be SA equal to SB equal to SC. After that we get center, and also we already know about center. Let it is the easy way to finding radius of the circle. Now what is that? SA equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and we get R. The equation of the circle and center having minus a comma b and radius is 5 is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. So this is one method, and another method is and we take general equation of circle s equal to 0 and substitute x comma values in s equal to 0, and we get g comma f comma c values. After solution we get g comma c values, substitute that g comma f comma equations in general equation of the circle. So we get required circle equation. So first of all we have to finding in method 1. What is that? Nothing only, and also let solution, let A 2 comma minus 3 and B minus 4 comma 5, and also given line equation. What is that? Line equation is nothing but 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is said to be equation number 1. And also given that what is given? S is x1 comma y1. We have put it on let. Now so this is the given information in the question. Now and also given one more information is whose center lies on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. That means S x1 comma lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Now in the place of x we replace x1, 4x1 plus 3y1 plus 1 equal to 0. So now this is said to be equation number 1. So this is the equation what we get now, and also given f equal to x1 comma y1, points are a 2 comma minus 3 and b minus 4 comma 5. Now SA equal to SB equal to SC. For this condition, first we have to take SA equal to SB. So SA equal to SB. First let us find SA. What is SA? SA is nothing but x1 comma y1. And what is the point of A? 2 comma minus 3. Now we already know about a distance formula when 2 points are given. What is that? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is x1 y1 also there, x2 y2. Now substitute x1 and y1 and x2 y2 values in expression. Is x1 as it is x1. What is the value of x2? 2 whole square plus y1. What is y1 value? Is y1. y2 value is minus, and minus of minus 3 whole square, and that equal to square root of x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus into minus goes to the bracket plus 3 whole square, that equal to square root of, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now we get x1 whole square plus 2 whole square minus 2 into 2x1 plus y1 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 3 into 2 into y1. So this is the expression we have. Now it's time to expand. X1 square plus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 into x1 plus y1 square plus 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are plus 6y1. So this is the essay. Now this is what we get in solving SA. Now we have to, now SB equal to same x1 comma y1, and B point is nothing but minus 4 comma 5, which is given in the question. And now same formula for distance. When 2 points are given, the distance formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now it's time to substitute. The values are given from the 2 points. Is x1 value is as it is x1, and what is the value of x2? Minus of x2 value is minus 4 whole square plus y2 we have 5 minus y1 whole square. So now square root of what is the value of x1? Minus becomes plus whole square plus 5 minus y1 whole square. And now square root of, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Previously already we have discussed about a plus b whole square. Now it's time to expand the a plus b whole square. x1 is in the place of a, 4 is in the place of b. Now a square becomes x1 square, b square becomes 4 square plus 2 into 4 into x1, and also this is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is that? 5 whole square plus y1 whole square minus 2 into 5 into y1. So this is what we get the expression. And now it's time to expand this expression is x1 square plus 4 whole square means 16 plus 2 to 4s are 8x1 plus 25 plus y1 square means as it is y1 square minus 2 5s are 10 y1. And now it's time to get x1 square as it is x1 square plus y1 square as it is a y1 square plus what is the x term we have 8x1 and what is the y term you have minus 10y1 plus 25 plus 16 is 25 plus 16. What we get 25 plus 16 and now what we get 25 plus 16 equal to 14 15 40 41. So what is this? The distance between center and B point. This is what we get. This is what we get. And previously we are forget to expand this one is equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square term minus 4x1 term plus 6y1 term 9 plus 4 plus 13. So this is the distance between 2 points and SA and here previously have SB. Now we already know about the condition. What is that? SA equal to SB. So this is the condition for finding the center. This is the condition. This is the condition for finding the center. What is the previously SA we have square root of x1 minus y x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1. Let it be written as x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 6y1 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 13 equal to what we have SB here square root what we have x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 minus 10y1 plus 41. So for eliminating the root here by squaring on both sides, this is the abbreviation for squaring on both sides. After squaring on both sides, square root get cancel. What is the remaining equation here? X1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 13 equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 minus 10y1 plus 41. So it's time to equating with 0. Now right side of the equation overall becomes and always comes from left side of the equation after we get x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 13 plus x1 comes from left side of the equation we get x1 square minus y1 square minus 8x1 plus 10y1 minus 41 equal to 0 minus 41 equal to 0. So plus x1 square minus x1 square getting 0, y1 square minus y1 square getting 0, here minus 4x1 there, here minus 8x1 there. So minus 4 minus 18 we get minus 12x1, here 6y1 there and here 10y1 there plus 16y1 and here plus 13 there, here minus 20 minus 41 there. So what is the value? Minus 28 equal to 0. Now here minus will be common and it's sent to the right side of the equation. 12x1 minus 16y1 plus 28 equal to 0. So here 4 will be the common. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. Now 4 will be the common from the equation. What we get? 4 into 3 x1 minus 4y1 plus 4 7s are 28 equal to 0. So what is the 4 will be sent to the right side of the equation. 0 by anything 0. So it does not important to write. What is the remaining equation? We have 3x minus 4y1 plus 7 equal to 0. So this is said to be equation number 2. For getting the solution, we have to, and it's very must to solve equation 1 and equation 2. Equation number 2. So what is the equation number 1 here? Equation number equal to equation 1, we have equation 1 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. What is the equation number 2 here? Previously we solved 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 7 equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. For here, please observe carefully. Here we have to eliminate, and we will eliminate x1 term. First of all, multiply with 4. That means equation 1 into 3, we get what we get? 12x1 plus 4 3s are 3 3s are 9y1 minus 3 equal to 0. Just I will explain one more time. So first equation into 3. 3 3s are 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9y1. 3 1s are 3. So are you get my point? Now equation number 2 into 4. Multiply with 4 equation number 2. What we get? 4 3s are 12x1, 4 4s are minus 16y1, 4 7s are plus 28 equal to 0. Now we have to interchange the symbols. That means if we have plus in the equation and it replaces with minus, that means interchanging the symbols. Now plus 12x1 minus 12x1 will be neglected, and what is the solution here? 9y1 plus 16y1. What we get? 25y1, and here what we have here? Just wait a minute. And previously we did a mistake. Actually the plus 1 in the equation we written as minus 3. Now it will be corrected as plus 3. So let's come to the question. Minus 28 plus 3, it means 25 equal to 0. 25y1 equal to 25. What is the value of y1? And 25 will be here multiplication, and it comes from the right side of the equation. We get 25 by 25. What is the value of 1? 25 ones are 25 ones are. y1 equal to 1. Now it's time to, and we get y1 value here. Now it's time to substitute y1 value in equation number 1. We get, what is equation number first here? 4x1 plus 3y1 plus 1 equal to 0. 4x1 plus 3 into, what is the y1 value we have? 3 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 4x1 plus 3 plus 1, 4 equal to 0. 4x1 plus 4 comes from right side of the equation, we get minus 4. x1 equal to minus 4 by 4. x1 equal to 4 ones are 4 ones are minus 1. So previously we already know about let s x comma 1. So what is meant by s? S is nothing but center. So s x1 comma y1, we have minus 1 comma y1 value we get already 1. So this is the center. This is the center. We have s x1 comma y1 equal to minus 1 comma 1. Now we have center and also, and now we are going to finding the radius. What is radius? R equal to SA. R equal to, what is the point? We have SA minus 1 comma 1. And what is the point of A? A becomes 2 comma minus 3. We already know about formula of finding radius is square root of minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. That means square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for finding the radius and also distance between the 2 points. And what we get is square root of minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. We already know about minus becomes in the square, we get 3 whole square, and also here minus 4 become plus 4 whole square, and it become 3 3s are 9 plus 4, that equal to 9 plus 16. Now what is the value? Root 25. Now what is the value? 5 whole square equal to 5. Now radius equal to 5. So we have center minus 1 comma 1 and the radius is 5. Now it is very easy to finding the equation of this circle. And also we have radius equal to 5 and it is easily finding the equation of this circle. And what is the formula for? Let it be written as the equation of the circle s minus 1 comma 1 with center and radius 5 is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r. So this is the formula for finding the circle equation when we have center minus 1 comma 1 and also having radius. So now what is the value of x minus a? This is a and this is b. X minus a, that implies x minus of 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to, what is the radius we have? 5. This is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 5. This is the expansion of x plus 1 whole square. This is the expansion of y minus 1 whole square. Now we get x square plus 1 whole square plus 2 into x into 1 plus y square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into y into 1 equal to 5. Now x square plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into x 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y1 equal to right side we have radius 5. It comes from left side of the equation after we get 5. Now x square plus y square plus x term we have 2x minus here we have 2y and also 1 plus 1 becomes 2 minus 5 minus 3 equal to 0. So This is the equation of the circle when the centers and lies on the line axis with the points A and B is this is the required circle equation. Also we have here and okay, that's all for today. Yesterday we already do discuss about circle equations. Now finally thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.